Good morning, my lovely student. Welcome to your science class. Student, I hope you all are well at your home. Now, student, after completing explanation part of lesson 10, today we will start exercise. That is, fill in the blanks. Okay, now let's start. Now, student, lesson 10, light, sound and force. Student, today we will do fill in the blanks. First of all, mention the date. Okay, now date 20 January 2021. Okay, now then classwork. Okay, now fill in the blanks with the correct words. Okay, now first, the blank is the main source of light on earth. So student, we cannot see anything in the dark room. We need light to see any object because without light we cannot see anything. Okay, sun gives us light during the daytime. Okay, now sun gives us light during the daytime. So student, answer is sun. S-U-N. S-U-N, sun. Now, second, a dash and door are non-luminous objects. Okay, so student, what are non-luminous objects? Already I have told you, objects which do not give us light are called non-luminous object. Okay, so student, answer is book. Okay, why? Because book do not give light, so book is non-luminous object. Now we will write book. B-O-O-K. Okay, book. Third, the sun and dash are luminous objects. Okay, so student, what are luminous objects? Objects that give out light are called luminous object. So student, answer is bulb, because bulb gives us light. Bulb is luminous object. So we will write bulb. B-U-L-B. Okay, now bulb. Now fourth, a dash is formed when an object blocks the path of light. Okay, so student, shadows are made by blocking light. Light rays travel from a source in straight lines. If an solid object gets in the way, it stops light rays from traveling through it. This results in an area of darkness appearing behind the objects. A dark figure or image cast on the ground or some surface by a body intercepting or blocking light. Okay, so student, answer is shadow. We will write here shadow. S-H-A-D-O-W. Okay, now student, fifth, a shadow is always formed on the dash side of the source of light. So student, a shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Okay. So answer is opposite. We will write here opposite. O double P O S I T E. Okay, now opposite. Now student, I am retelling you, listen properly. Okay, now fill in the blanks with the correct words. First is the sun is the main source of light on earth. Okay. Second, a book and door are non-luminous objects. Okay. Third, the sun and bulb are luminous objects. Now fourth, a shadow is formed when an object blocks the path of light. Okay. Fifth, a shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Okay, now clear? So student, today we have done fill in the blanks. Hope it would be clear. Now student, homework, learn fill in the blanks of lesson 10 carefully. Have a nice day. Thank you.